How to fix YouTube Shorts glitch problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are watching a video in YouTube and you are facing a lot of shorts glitches problem, then the first fix for this issue is simply go ahead and swipe up on your screen and then go ahead and force quit YouTube along with all the apps running in the background and then reopen YouTube, as this will remove temporary app glitches from the YouTube application. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and then tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure that the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, then launch the settings application and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to the YouTube application and tap on it, and further tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear cache in the app. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then on your home screen, tap hold on the YouTube app and then tap on the remove app option. Further, tap on delete app and then tap on delete and delete the app and reinstall the app again, and then sign back in and then test shorts, and your issue should have been fixed. If not, then go ahead and make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services, as VPN can sometimes interfere with video loading and recommendations. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space, as if not, then low storage can cause app performance problems. So you can delete unnecessary files if storage is nearly full. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it sometimes can be because of the YouTube server status. So make sure that the YouTube server is working just fine, and if not, then you can wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube Shorts glitch problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.